Hey, goal getters! Ever feel like you're spinning your wheels, setting goals but never quite reaching them? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of SMART goals, a game changing approach that can skyrocket your success rate. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to turn your dreams into reality. But first, let me tell you a quick story. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer who always dreamed of starting her own business. Year after year, she'd say, "This is the year I'll do it." But somehow, it never happened. Sound familiar? Well, everything changed when Sarah discovered SMART goals. And today, I'm going to show you how you can make the same transformation. So what exactly are SMART goals? It's an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. 1. Specific. Your goal needs to be crystal clear. Instead of "I want to get in shape," try "I want to run a 5K race." See the difference? The more specific, the better. 2. Measurable. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. How will you know you've achieved your goal? For our 5K example, your progress is easily measured in distance or time. 3. Achievable dream. Big, but be realistic. If you've never run before, aiming for a marathon next month might be a stretch. A 5K in 3 months, now that's achievable. Remember Sarah? By applying these SMART goal techniques, she launched her design business within 6 months. She started with a specific goal: launch my freelance graphic design website and secure 3 clients within 6 months. She broke it down into weekly tasks, tracked her progress, and guess what? She exceeded her goal, landing 5 clients. Now that we understand SMART goals, let's talk about how to achieve them effectively. Here are 5 key strategies. 1. Write it down. Don't just think it, ink it. Studies show you're 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down. So grab that journal and start writing. 2. Break it down. Big goals can be overwhelming. So there you have it, folks. The power of SMART goals and effective strategies to achieve them. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, share one SMART goal you're setting for yourself. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on crushing your goals. Remember, every big achievement starts with the decision to try. So what are you waiting for? It's time to get smart and transform your life.